Hello, this is Ekodi, and today I'll be taking you through some of the products we have. As you can see, I have one here. This is a 20-watt solar generator, a mini solar 20-watt solar mini generator. As you can see, this comes with a lithium battery. So let's unveil it and see what we have inside. So this is the gen itself, and these are the bulbs. Then we have the panel for the charging system. Okay, so it has a radio, so you don't have to wait. This is the radio part, and this is the antenna. So we put it on here, and we can power on the radio system. So it's ready. So this is to reduce the volume, press and hold, and this is to increase it, to press and hold. So you can also switch the mode. If you have a flash drive that have songs inbuilt, you can plug it here to play the songs, or you have a plugin that you can use directly with small head here. So this is for a card reader. This import here is for a card reader in case you want to use it for that purpose. So we'll plug the bulbs here and see how they work. These are very, very durable. So all you need to do is plug the bulb at the ports here, and you have the lights come on. You can also switch them on and off from this body switch attached to the wire for this is off, this is on, this is off. Same here. We have this. Okay, so as you can see, there are two USB charging ports here, 5 volt, 2.4 amps. So you can charge those smaller phones here with it. And this is where you plug the solar panel to charge it. This is just a fuse to help you control and make sure the device is safe and free from damage due to power source. So as you haven't gone through this, we have various products in Sekodi. As you can see, these are some of the products. This is a 300-watt solar generator. These are street lights. This is an inverter. This is a charge controller. And we have a floodlight here. This is also another inverter. These are batteries. And then this is a garden lights. This is a ceiling fan. And we have various products. Just reach out to us and let's have you explain whatever power needs you have at home, and we can design systems to fit for that particular need. Thank you.